Oh my god, guys. You guys do not know how excited I am after missing 2 possible big PBs. I have finally landed one. Look at this beautiful monster. Oh my god. Video does not do it justice, but on the black and red jackhammer chatterbait, look at this. Look at this monster, guys. Oh my god, like you guys, oh my god. I have a scale. Let me scale this bad boy, take a couple pictures and let it go. Let's see if we'll break my PB of 6.1. 6.1, guys. All right, guys, we're at 0. Try not to hurt the fish. So I do want it to go back and spawn. All right, guys. Official weight is 6.18. Same thing as my PB, 6.18. Thought I was so close to beating it. I guess not. Oh, look at this monster. Pre-spawn. Let's get it.